Well, without a doubt, it is a truly spectacular sight. The northern lights and astronomical phenomena color the skies in bright, unbelievable lights. Look at that. If you're lucky, you can see them on a clear night. But here's the thing. The higher the latitude, actually, the better the chance of getting a view like that. And that is what makes Alaska such a popular tourist destination.
Yeah, so many people trek out to remote areas hoping to just catch a small glimpse of the lights. And NewsNation correspondent Nancy Liu went to Butte, Alaska to meet with the scientists who study them.
The beauty and wonder of the northern lights have mesmerized many for centuries. This natural light show put on by charged particles from the sun is a regular wonder this time of year in the interior of Alaska.
Even at the lowest point, it's 60 miles up above the earth. But once you know that, it's just the scale and the motion and the color, just all of that, just so different than anything we ever experienced before.
Don Hampton is among the scientists tracking auroras at the University of Alaska, Fairbanks. The team at UAF recently discovered that data from earthquake sensors put in by seismologists also produce useful readings on magnetic fluctuations.
It's kind of annoying to the seismologists, but it's kind of interesting to the space physicists because here's this fairly dense array of sensors that are picking up something that we're quite interested in.
More than 200 seismometers are in Alaska, so that data is now folded in with readings from magnetometers and a number of all-sky cameras. The constant watch is key since a major magnetic storm has and can knock out infrastructure. The measurements hardly matter to light chasers throughout the world.
The northern lights are just incredible. They're like nothing that you see anywhere else.
Tourism veteran Julie Stoppe says people who fulfill this entry on their bucket lists are never disappointed.
I saw the northern lights for the first time when I was 10 years old. I still remember that night. It just really sticks with you. It's a unique experience and they're magical.
Chasing the northern lights is hit and miss, but according to scientists, the odds will soon improve based on the solar wind's forecast.
We should be picking up in the next 2 or 3 years that the solar wind will get more active again. And so that means, for the same time you're at a site where you might be able to see the aurora, you're more likely to see it just because it's going to be more active.
While many have yet to see an aurora for themselves, those who see them often say it never gets old.
It doesn't lose its magic by knowing more about it. In fact, in some ways, it makes it more intriguing trying to figure out what's going on.
In Butte, Alaska, Nancy Liu, NewsNation.